Good afternoon. We are a team formed by Alejandro Armenta Rellano, Daniela Berenice Hernández de Vicente, and Dana Marian Rivera Oropesa. In this video, we will present the solution to the final challenge. This is the code of our first node, which is in charge of sending the type of signal that we want, as can be seen in this if. Finally, we select the two types of message that we want to send, which are the signal and the temp, which in our case is signal and temp. This is the code for our second node, the controller. In this, there are two functions. Each function is responsible for receiving information from a node. The first one is in charge of the input node, and the second one of the Arduino node. The value of the Arduino node is saved and we put it in our controller. For the solution of this challenge, we have a PID controller having the following values: proportionals 1.3, integral 2.4, and derivative 0.02. The sampling time is calculated, which in this case is 0.4, and the tau, which is 0.1. We proceed to remove the first error, being the subtraction between the signal sent by the first node, input, and the second value received, Arduino. The values are entered into the controller and the sum is made with the gain obtained. Later, we proceed to send information of our node to the Arduino. Now we will show our results. This is a quadratic signal, and we can see how it reacts to our motor in real time. In the graph, you can see a small peak in this area, and this is due to the change in direction generated by our engine. When going at a speed of -1, in this case to the left, and later changing to the right, the system detects a drop in speed, when really the only thing that happens is a change of direction. After that, it recovers, and that is when the controller fulfills its function. Finally, we will show physically how our motor reacts to the change of signals through the controller. As we can see, the motor turns to left, and after a certain time, it starts to turn to the right, which translates into this change. Now, in these positions, this change is more appreciated.